You see, Chloe? There it is our woods. You know, we need our handy dandy double case on a wood. So we draw a curved line like this, and we have a wood.
A clue!
Sue? It's. You know my name is not Zoe. You know it's Braxton Walker.
A clue!
Oh. Oh, you see our clue. Our second clue. It's on top of the sky, on the clouds. Always on the clouds. Why is the clue always on the clouds? You know we need, and it used to be always on bricks. You know we need our handy dandy notebook. Okay, nope. So second clue is cloud. We draw a wiggly line like this, and we have a cloud. Ow! Take a look at these plants. Well.
A clue!
No. You know, really, actually, we'll just keep saying clues. We actually can't talk about right now. We're just busy right now.
No, it's a clue.
Oh, you see our clue. Where? Our third clue. You found it. Let's take a look closer. Our third clue, and it's on these plants. Wow, look at all the wavely cool. You know what we got to do? We draw the third clue down in the handy dandy super duper notebook. Okay. Our third clue is plants. So we draw that wiggly on that top thing, and we have a moose.